In today's session, we will do 120 important current affairs MCQs in sets of 3. So, let's start the quiz. How many Padma Awards were given in 2024? The correct answer is option C, 132. What is India's rank in Henley Passport Index 2024? Right answer is option C, 82nd rank. Which country won the maximum medals in Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option A, USA. Which country has become the 101st member to join the International Solar Alliance? Correct answer is option B, Nepal. Jishnu Dev Verma has been appointed as the governor of which state? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. How many Ramsar sites are there in India in 2024? Correct answer is option C, 85. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the International Cricket Council? Correct answer is option B, Jai Shah. Who has been honored with the prestigious Ramon Magsaysay Award for 2024? Correct answer is option B, Hayao Miyazaki. World Rainforest Day 2024 is celebrated on? Correct answer is option A, June 22nd. Lawrence Wong has been sworn as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option B, Singapore. Tashi Rabstan has recently been appointed as Chief Justice of which High Court? Correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the new president of Sri Lanka? Correct answer is option A, Anura Kumara Dasanayake. Who has been appointed as the director of NCRB? Correct answer is option C, Alok Ranjan. Who has become the youngest Prime Minister of Thailand? Correct answer is option B, Paetongtarn Shinawatra. How many medals have been won by India at the 17th Paralympic Games in Paris? Correct answer is option B, 29 medals. Recently, Bohai Gulf has been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is located in? Correct answer is option C, Yellow Sea. Who has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC? Correct answer is option B, Preeti Sudan. The world's first nuclear power plant based on molten thorium salt will be set up in which country? Correct answer is option A, China. The joint military exercise, Mitra Shakti, is between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka. What was India's rank in the medal tally of Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option D, 71st rank. How many Bharat Ratna awards were given in 2024? Correct answer is option C, 5. Who is the world's youngest female para swimmer to cross the English Channel? Correct answer is option B, Jia Rai. What is India's rank in Global Gender Gap Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 129th rank. Who has been appointed as the Chief of Army Staff? Correct answer is option B, General Upendra Dwivedi. Where has India's first Chadwick House, Navigating Audit Heritage, Museum or CAG Museum opened? Correct answer is option B, Shimla. Which film has won the 2024 National Film Award for Best Feature Film? Correct answer is option B, Atham, Malayalam. Who has been elected as the President of the 79th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Correct answer is option B, Philmon Yang. India has launched its first 24/7 grain ATM in which state? Correct answer is option B, Orissa. Who is the author of the book Breaking Rocks and Barriers? Correct answer is option B, Sudipta Sengupta. Who has been awarded the highest civilian Grand Collar of the Order, Award of Timor-Leste? Correct answer is option B, Draupadi Murmu. Haller Thomas Tittier has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Iceland. India has received the highest FDI from which country in 2023-24? Correct answer is option B, Singapore. Exercise HOPEX is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Egypt. Where is the 108 feet tall bronze statue of the famous Nadaprabhu Kempegoda installed? Correct answer is option B, Bengaluru. Which is the first Indian state to provide insurance for disaster risk management? Correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Neeraj Chopra won the silver medal in javelin by throwing how many meters at Paris 2024 Olympics? Correct answer is option C, 89.45 meters. Who is the flag bearer of the Indian contingent at the opening ceremony at the Paris Paralympics 2024? Correct answer is option B, Bhagyashree Jadhav and Sumit Until. Kamal Maduri recently became Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, Tunisia. Riken Yamamoto was the winner of the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2024. He belongs to which country? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Naval Staff? Correct answer is option B, Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Who among the following is the architect of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya? The correct answer is option B, Chandrakant Sompura. The joint exercise, Dharma Guardian, has been organized between India and which country? Correct answer is option D, Japan. Karaivati Bird Sanctuary, which was given the status of Ramsar site recently, is located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Who has been honored with the 58th Jnanpith Award in 2024? Correct answer is option C, both A and B, Gulzar and Jagadguru Rambhadracharya. Om Prakash Mathur was sworn in as the 18th governor of which state? Correct answer is option B, Sikkim. Who has been appointed as the next permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Right answer is option A, Parvathaneni Harish. Where was the world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? Correct answer is option B, Brussels, Belgium. Paul Kagame was sworn in as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Rwanda. Which country has won the Cricket Women's Asia Cup in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Sri Lanka. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, 159th. Carlos Alcaraz won the French Open 2024. He is from which country? Right answer is option B, Spain. Oleg Kononenko, who recently became the first person to spend 1000 days in space, belongs to which country? Correct answer is option A, Russia. Which of the following countries is not a part of the BRICS group? Correct answer is option D, Argentina. Which country has won the Thomas and Uber Cup 2024 title? Correct answer is option D, China. Guru Bhasidas Damo Pingla Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Who has become the new president of ICJ, International Court of Justice? Correct answer is option A, Nawaf Salam of Lebanon. Nicolas Maduro has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Venezuela. Who won men's single title in tennis in the Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option A, Novak Djokovic. Gupteshwar Forest of which state has been declared as the Biodiversity Heritage Site? Right answer is option B, Orissa. Who has won the Grammy Award for Best Global Music Album? Correct answer is option A, This Moment. Who was sworn in as Mexico's first female president in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Claudia Sheinbaum. Which of the following is the Sakshi Malik's recently unveiled memoir? Correct answer is option B, Witness. Which actor was recently honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2024? Correct answer option C, Mithun Chakrabarti. Exercise Pitch Black 2024 has been conducted between India with which country? Correct answer is option C, Australia. India will host the Quad Leaders Summit in Correct answer is option B, 2025. Who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry? Correct answer is option A, Kailash Nathan. Asia's largest open-air trade fair Bali Jatra is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Orissa. Sea Vigil 24 is a defense exercise conducted by which country? Correct answer is option C, India. The center government has approved the development of Camur Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. It's located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Which of the following countries will host the first ever Kho-Kho World Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has been appointed as the Director General of All India Radio? Correct answer is option B, Maushami Chakravarti. World Animal Welfare Day 2024 was celebrated on? Correct answer is option C, the 4th of October. Who has taken oath as the first Chief Minister of UT of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option A, Omar Abdullah. Who won the title of 73rd Miss Universe 2024? Correct answer is option B, Victoria Athevig. Who has been honored with the prestigious Pen Pinter Prize 2024 for her unflinching and unswerving writings? Correct answer is option B, Arundhati Roy. Who has been reappointed as the Chief of the Intelligence Bureau in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Tapan Kumar Decker. Who is the author of the book Power Within: The Leadership Legacy of Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option C, Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. Which country recently became a new member of the BRICS New Development Bank in September 2024? Correct answer is option A, Algeria. Who is the first Indian left-arm spinner to take 300 Test wickets? Correct answer is option B, Ravindra Jadeja. Who is appointed as the new CAG of India? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Murthy. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Correct answer is option D, Antonio Guterres. Which country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Russia. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Samantha Harvey. Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the Director of National Intelligence in which country? Correct answer is option B, USA. Which country has recently launched the world's first 6G communication satellite? Correct answer is option C, China. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, S. Somnath. Where will be the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Davas 2025 be held? Correct answer is option B, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who won the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024? Correct answer is option A, New Zealand. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Jharkhand? Right answer is option B, Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Which country was formally accepted as the 10th member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Correct answer is option C, Belarus. Which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option A, USA. What is India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 105th. The 9th joint exercise, Garuda Shakti 2024, was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Indonesia. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. National Education Day is observed on? Correct answer is option B, the 11th of November. Who won the men's singles title in the US Open Tennis 2024? Correct answer is option C, Jannik Sinner. Astana Declaration is related to which of the following? Correct answer is option A, primary health. Who has been appointed as Director General of the Press Information Bureau? Correct answer is option B, Dhirendra Ojha. In which state UTS Jhiri Mela held? Correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Pune, Maharashtra. What is India's rank in Environmental Performance Index, API 2024? Correct answer is option D, 176th rank. Who has won the Best Actor award at the 70th National Film Awards 2024? Correct answer is option B, Rishabh Shetty. International Day of Sign Languages 2024 is celebrated on? Correct answer is option B, the 23rd of September. What is India's rank in Global Energy Transition Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, 63rd. Who won the prestigious Abel Prize 2024? Correct answer is option B, Michelle Dahlgren. Kristina Pliskova of which country was crowned Miss World 2024? Correct answer is option C, Czech Republic. German author Jenny Erpenbeck and translator Michael Hoffman have won the prestigious International Booker Prize for which novel? Correct answer is option B, Kairos. Who has won the women's singles title at the 2024 Wimbledon Open? Correct answer is option C, Barbora Krejcikova. Which institute has been honored with the Nelson Mandela Award 2024 by the WHO? Correct answer is option D, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. According to World Cybercrime Index 2024, what is the rank of India in cybercrime globally? Correct answer is option A, 10th. Recently, which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Purnima Devi Barman. Roberta Metsola, who has been elected President of the European Parliament for a second term, she is from which country? Correct answer is option A, Malta. Who among the following has been appointed as the Director of Enforcement Directorate in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Rahul Naveen. Adichunchanagiri Peacock Sanctuary is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Which Indian has been selected for the Goldman Environmental Prize 2024? Right answer is option C, Alok Shukla. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of NATO 2024? Correct answer is option B, Mark Rutte. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of France? Correct answer is option A, Michel Barnier. Malayalam poet Prabha won the 2024 Saraswati Samman for which novel? Correct answer is option B, Rudra Satwikam. Who were the flag bearers of the closing ceremony of Paris Paralympics 2024? Correct answer is option B, Preeti Pal and Harvinder Singh. Who has been conferred with the Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur, the highest civilian award of France? Correct answer is option D, Roshni Nadar. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Share your answer in the comment section below.